Hey all, and welcome back to the kitchen for another edition of Tank Top Cooking. Okay, right on. Well, here's a few things you're gonna need. Grab yourself some hamburger. Okay, probably about a pound and a half. Grab yourself some bacon. Hey, I'm doing it with bacon here. Okay, cool. Right on. Grab yourself some carrots, some celery, some crushed tomatoes, some ketchup or some tomato soup, some beef broth, an onion, some potatoes, some more tomatoes, a beer. Oh yeah. Okay, right on. Grab yourself, optional, but you know, I love mushrooms. Grab yourself some mushrooms. Right on. Grab yourself some green onion. Yeah. Okay, right on. Hopping over to the seasoning department here. Grab yourself some thyme. Okay, some parsley flakes. Oh, 1, 2, 3 cloves of garlic. Some basil. Some black pepper. And hey man, you know what? If you got a bay leaf or two, that would be awesome too. Grab yourself a saucepan, frying pan there. Grab yourself some hamburger here. You can do this just with hamburger if you wanted, but you know what? I'm mixing it up a little bit. So you probably want to use, probably about pound and a half of hamburger, because we're mixing her up, man. And we're going with, it looks like probably a pound of hamburger. And then I'm going to just throw in some bacon. And you kind of put them into little pieces, not whole pieces of bacon, but you know, I kind of like about like that. And then just mix up your bacon, your hamburger, get into nice little crumble pieces, you know what I'm talking about. And we're gonna let this go till it gets kind of nice brown. Get rid of the pink, and we're gonna drain off the grease. Alright, well, we got that going on. You might as well grab that onion. You could use whatever kind of onion you want. If you want to use the yellow or whatever. But you know what, man? I'm using a purple onion. Okay, and then just keep breaking your meat apart. Okay, you know what? If you had some barley, you could use about a half cup barley. I'm using 2 potatoes. Okay, and then you're probably going to want to do the same thing. Probably about 4 carrots. Cut them up nice and thin little pieces. Keep an eye on your bacon there and all that. Or hamburger if you're just going straight with hamburger. Hamburger just by itself is pretty good too. But you know what, man? I'm mixing it up. Going with bacon and hamburger. Why not, eh? Give it a try. Okay, right on. Grab yourself, 3 celery ribs. Alright, if you've been here before, you know what to do. If not, grab yourself a strainer, a coffee tin. And then, this is like a good little way to drain off your grease, guys. Works awesome. Grab yourself like a crock pot, kind of like this. Take your hamburger and your bacon, if you're doing it my way, and just, toss that in there. Grab your veggies, and kaboom, just throw those in there. Okay, now, you probably want to throw in about, a 28 full ounce can of diced tomatoes here. But you know what? I'm doing it a little bit different, man. Okay, like I was saying, I'm doing it just a little bit different. I'm throwing in, half, so about 14 ounces of diced tomatoes. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut up one big ass tomato and just dice it up. So one fresh one and the diced tomatoes in a can. And throw it in with with your the water and whatnot in there, because it'll give it a little bit of flavor, right? Okay. Okay. Another thing, this is optional, but I'm going with 3 mushrooms, fresh. Okay, now, you had a can of soup? Tomato soup would be great, but hey man, if you don't, oh yeah, just throw some ketchup in there, why not? Okay, right on. Okay, you probably want to throw in about 3 cups of beef broth. Okay, toss some of that in there. What I'm doing, I'm throwing in a good old beer, Budweiser. You could use Pilsner, you could use a Kokanee, and you could even use a Heineken, but we're just going with a Budweiser on this one, okay? Right on. Now, you're probably going to want about a teaspoon of thyme, okay? So yeah, toss some of that in. Woo. Oh yeah, teaspoon and a bit. All right, okay, toss that in there. Grab yourself, what I'm going with is, hey, you know what would be awesome is a bay leaf, but I'm just gonna throw in a little bit of basil, about a half a teaspoon. Just toss a little bit of that in there. Oh yeah. Okay, now stay with me here. What you're gonna want to do is about the same teaspoon, maybe teaspoon-ish of parsley flakes. Oh yeah. Okay. There we go. Ish. We got her. Okay, right on. Good stuff. Okay. Now, grab yourself your garlic, and I'm going to throw in probably about, oh geez, probably gonna throw in probably about 3 cloves of garlic. Not huge ones, just give it a little bit of zip. Throw in a little bit of pepper, just kind of taste, so you kind of play with this. But yeah, we're throwing a little bit of pepper in here, and then top it off with probably about 2 cups of water. Cover it all up, and just stir it all in. I'm going to throw in probably, probably four little stalks of green onion. Just toss that in there. There you go. Stir up. We'll bring this to a boil and then simmer it for probably about 2 hours, and then boom, we're done. Oh yeah, it's to a nice boil there. So I turned it down to low, okay, and then yeah, just cover it up for 2 hours. But you want to check it and stir it, you know, frequently. Like not every 30 seconds, but you know, keep an eye on it. Give it a little stir every now and again. Okay, right on. Yeah, just remove the cover for the second hour. So we're gonna let it simmer like this for 2 hours. All right, that's been 2 hours simmering, and I think it is about time to give her a go. Probably gonna be a little bit on the heated side right now, but all right, now the edibility factor. I'm sure it'll be good. Oh yeah. Man. Hamburger soup, man. Never disappointed, but man, try it with bacon, man. Gives it a little bit of a different taste. I've never done it with bacon before, but yeah, man, it's good. Really good. Got cheese bun with it. Hey, right on. Good stuff, Wall. Hey, I hope you enjoyed the vid. Hamburger soup, it's awesome. I love soups. You know, you get your meat in there, everything, man. Hey, give it a try with bacon. Bacon gives it a little bit different. It's awesome, man. Right on. So you know how it is. Once, twice, 3 times a week, sometimes 4 even. I throw out a vid. So, anyhow, consider subscribing if you want to, you know, see some decent little meals there and whatnot. And you guys keep calm, be cool, and yeah, till next time.